friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I am going to teach you nutrition in animals for class 7. I want to correlate with previous topic. I taught you nutrition in animals, step for nutrition in animals, different ways of taking food and digestion. Today's topic is esophagus or food pipe. The food that is swallowed passes into the esophagus. It is a muscular tube about 25 cm long with a sphincter valve oblique opening at each end. Its function is to transport food and fluid after being swallowed from the mouth to the stomach. Food is propelled down by as there in movement through the walls of the food pipe. Third one is stomach. It is a thick walled bag like structure. Stomach is a thick walled bag like structure. That means the structure of stomach is like a bag. It obtains food from the food pipe and opens into the small intestine towards the other opening. That means it obtains food from the food pipe and opens into the small intestine towards the other opening, and other opening is small intestine. The inner lining of the stomach produces mucus, hydrochloric acid and other digestive juices. Food is churned into semi-solid mass in the stomach. Enzymes present in the gastric juice disintegrated the food. Hydrochloric acid helps in partial digestion of proteins and also kills harmful bacteria. That means what is the function of and what is the structure of stomach? The stomach is a bag-like structure, and its inner lining of the stomach produces mucus, hydrochloric acid and the other digestive juices. Food is churned into semi-solid. That means food is मतलब कि फूड जो है वो सेमी सॉलिड बन जाता है, मतलब सॉलिड से थोड़ा लिक्विफाई हो जाता है, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं, सेमी सॉलिड मास इन द स्टमक. एंड एंजाइम्स which is present in the gastric juice. What is the function of enzyme? Enzyme disintegrate the food. That means enzymes which help in the digestion of food particles, and hydrochloric acid helps in partial digestion. That means not fully digestion but partial digestion of protein, and also kills harmful bacteria. And what is the function of hydrochloric acid? The function of hydrochloric acid is to partial digestion of protein and also kills harmful bacteria. Fourth one is small intestine. This is a highly coiled organ of 7.5 meter length. It receives secretion from the liver and pancreas. Complete digestion and absorption of food take place in the small intestine. The inner walls of the intestine have finger-like outgrowth called villi. Villi increase the surface area for absorption of food. Each villus has a small network of blood vessels. Absorbed food by villi is transferred to the body via blood vessels. After the digestion from stomach, food propelled in a small intestine. And small intestine, what structure of a small intestine is highly coiled, and length is 7.5 meter. And small intestine receives secretion from liver and pancreas. It receives secretion from liver and pancreas. Okay. Fifth one is large intestine. It is wider and shorter than the small intestine. It is 1.5 meter in length. Absorption of water and salt from undigested food occurs in the large intestine. Remaining waste matter is passed out through the rectum. Time to time, fecal matter is removed through the anus. The anus is the opening at the end of the human digestive tract. The removal of fecal matter from the large intestine occurs through the anus, and this process is called egestion. Okay, your topic is over. We will discuss about further topic in the next class. Please like my video and share to your friends. Thank you.